Musamseleku is benefiting a lot of money because of his wives Mangwabe, Makwela, Macele, Makumalo, and Mayeni. Musamseleku said to them they are benefiting because of him. Makumalo, now she is where she is because of him. They are benefiting each other because Musamseleku took advantage of his Istanbul and go to DSTV. They have got a program. DSTV is paying them each in every month. So Musamseleku at that time when they are starting Utando Nestembo season 1, Musamseleku was working because they don't have enough money. DSTV was not paying them enough. DSTV paid them through their views. So people, they don't know them. But people, they love to watch Utando Nestembo, but was not famous as it is now on season 7, 8, 9, because there is a lot of drama now. So Musamseleku took advantage of his Istanbul and go to DSTV and have got a channel. They start have content. At that time, Musamseleku was working because he was providing. Yes, Musamseleku was a businessman. They have got a restaurant. Makumalo and Macele, they are helping each other. Where is the restaurant now? It means that they closed the restaurant because they have got enough money on DSTV. Musamseleku start Utando Nestembu, and people, they love to watch their program and start Munakwetu and start Izingane Zestembu. Musamseleku, now we have got 4 programs on DSTV. So it means that they are benefiting each other because at that time they start Utando Nestembu season 1. Makumalo took advantage and go to join Housewives of Durban. Yes, they are benefiting. Makumalo start opening a business, have program on DSTV. Musamseleku was open other programs aside. Other wives are very relaxed because they don't know the opportunity to be a celebrity. Musamseleku and Makumalo are the only people who have got a business minded. He can't say Makumalo, she is where she is because of him. Musamseleku, I remember he was discussing with Mangwawe. Mangwawe said people, they love her on social media, what. Musamseleku said to Mangwawe, you are famous because of me. If you are not married to me, you are not famous. Musamseleku, you have to know how to talk to Mangwawe. Even Musamseleku, he is famous because of Mangwawe. Now he is more famous because of Makwela. Those people, guys, they start trending a lot on social media because of Makwela. Musamseleku, now he is not working like that. Maybe he can have businesses, but Musamseleku is benefiting more on DSTV. So Musamseleku can't say maybe those wives are benefiting through him on DSTV. No, not like that. Those wives are the reason why he is not going to work now. He is not working hard. He can work very easily to shoot the content. People, they are already know Musamseleku. Everywhere he is like a king in South Africa. You understand? Because of those wives. Makwela, they have to increase Makwela's salary because now he is earning more. Their views are, they have got a lot of views on on TV because of Makwela. So Musamseleku took advantage. He is, you know that other people, they are open their eyes for money. Musamseleku saw that he can make money because you can't struggle when you have got Istanbul. You understand? Musamseleku so that he can spend his own salary, their own business money on restaurant to support those wives to buy groceries because every month each and every wife, they can buy groceries for 3,000, 4,000 for wives. So Musamseleku took advantage and opened another brand on DSTV. I don't know who came with an idea, but someone helped him to open a brand on DSTV, and they start to have content. At that time, even you look at them, they don't have enough money. Their money was not enough. That's why they came with an idea to open to have content on DSTV. Other people, they make money with their situation nowadays because when you have got Istanbul in Africa, people, they don't use to have Istanbul. Musamseleku make money through Uthando Nestembu. You know, you can take advantage. Musamseleku is earning through his wives. That's why Makwela was asking him more money, that your business is grow because of, yeah,